You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -7/5. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the g. Multiply both sides by 3x plus 6. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the g. Divide both sides by -5. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is x equals -7/5.